Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today the tie factory is open once again. We have pressure treated 2x4s and we're cutting them into ties.
Pinched.
Pinched. That one's a little off. Well,
It's approximate anyway.
yeah. We need a folding table out there somewhere. Or a sawhorse.
I have a roller stand.
That works too. Where's that at?
Not sure. Might be in storage.
Oh, Phil's.
At
Or
Tony's.
Tony's.
Yeah. Down at the Shady Pines with everything else I got in storage. I literally rent space from him
Wow.
for storage.
I mean, it works.
It does. But I gotta go through that and throw a bunch of stuff out. Because, you know, a lot of the stuff we throw into storage really is
It's just junk,
Junk.
you don't want to throw away.
just garbage. Yeah.
And that's the sad truth about storage. It's just old stuff you don't want, but you don't want to get rid of.
Yeah. Now you're on edge about it, aren't you?
No, that one pinch did suck, though.
Ah.
What do we got over here?
Shut the saw off.
Gonna unbury some tie stock. Would you like that, Ed?
Why, sure, thank you.
It's these that suck the most. When
Yeah?
these get torn off.
Oh, yeah.
Now, if you couldn't see what he was holding up, it was one of those barcodes that they staple to the ends of sticks of lumber.
Tis the season for it to be a splinter wonderland.
Walking in the Splinter Wonderland.
My
Yeehaw.
thoughts exactly.
You know what I find disturbing? Take a look at the end of this piece of wood.
Oh.
It's already starting to rot.
Well, side effect of sitting under
It-
leaves and
It is ground contact pressure treated wood.
yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah.
We shouldn't be doing that. It's like the one thing they're advertised not to do.
Yeah.
I mean, the inside of them looks good though.
Oh, yeah.
But look at the ends.
Yeah. splitting out like that. And that's how we end up with screws that let go of the rail.
Yeah, that is a problem.
That could be a problem. Well, we'll use it anyway, because...
Better than what's on the ground now.
Yeah, exactly.
As in, there are spots where there are nothing on the ground.
Exactly.
Away it goes. Back into its hidey hole.
Hidey hole?
I don't know.
All right, so now we've cut them to length, and now we're gonna rip them in half.
Yeah, it's important to be careful with your push stick. That could have been a finger.
All right. Now we have our pile of table ties. All about 19 inches long. I should have probably done like 20, 21 to have some overhang. But we bring one of these over to the table, that is, and find that they fit. Oh, that they fit. So now we just get to lay out all the rest of them, and have to find a way to screw back down the 4 that were bolted to the table. Well, bolt 4 new ones to the table in the right spots, that is. Well, there you have it, 100 or so new ties ready to be installed. Get them cleaned up. Get the turntable ties over here. Figure out a way to mount them to the turntable. And then there's Zumi. Little man on a mission. You coming over here for attention? No? Okay then. Well, I believe that'll be it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. All right. Let me do a better outro than that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you think we earned it. Yeah. Leave a comment if you think we didn't. If you have any suggestions or tips on how you would do it, feel free to leave one. I don't mind reading comments. I don't think Aaron does either. As long as they're not rude. Go help out over on the Patreon and join the Discord. We hang out in there from time to time. Not very good at outros. So, that's it for me. Bye.